Welcome to the iInstitute podcast series on sustainable logistics. I'm your host, Yu Payne. Today, we embark on a journey into the world of green logistics, a concept that's reshaping how we think about transportation and supply chain management in the 21st century. Let's dive in. In today's episode, Introduction to Green Logistics, the basics will explore what green logistics really means. It's not just a buzzword. It's a crucial pivot in our ongoing battle against climate change and environmental degradation. But what does it involve? Essentially, green logistics is about minimizing the environmental impact of the logistics and transportation sector. This includes reducing greenhouse gas emissions, enhancing energy efficiency, and embracing renewable energy sources. Consider this in the logistics industry. Heavily reliant on fossil fuels is a significant contributor to global carbon emissions. But there's a shift happening. Companies and governments worldwide are recognizing the urgent need to turn the tide. And that's where the concept of green logistics comes into play. One of the most exciting developments in this area is the advent of electric vehicles in the logistics industry, and who better to symbolize the shift than Elon Musk with his innovative electric trucks. These vehicles represent more than just technological advancement. They signify a paradigm shift in how goods are transported. But it's not just about the vehicles. Green logistics also encompasses efficient route planning, optimized load management, and the use of eco-friendly packaging materials. It's a holistic approach that requires us to rethink and redesign our logistics networks from the ground up. As we continue in this series, we'll delve deeper into each of these aspects. We'll explore the challenges, the innovations, and the successes of transitioning to a more sustainable logistics model. We'll meet the pioneers, dissect the policies, and uncover the technologies that are driving this change. So stay tuned as we journey through the world of green logistics, where sustainability meets efficiency. Together, we'll uncover how the movement towards electric trucks, spearheaded by visionaries like Elon Musk, is just the beginning of a larger, more profound transformation in the industry. Thank you for joining us on this episode of the iInstitute podcast. I look forward to continuing this journey with you. Next time, we'll dive into the world of Elon Musk's electric trucks and how they're shaping the future of sustainable logistics. Until then, keep thinking green. Elon Musk's visions, electric trucks in modern logistics. In this episode, we're focusing on Elon Musk's groundbreaking contribution to sustainable logistics. Electric trucks, Musk's ambitious foray into this sector isn't just about introducing a new type of vehicle. It's about revolutionizing the entire logistics industry. Electric trucks, spearheaded by Musk, represent a significant leap towards reducing the carbon footprint of transportation. The importance of this innovation cannot be overstated in an industry traditionally powered by diesel engines, which are efficient but environmentally costly. Musk's electric trucks challenge the status quo, offering a greener, more sustainable way to move goods. The advantages of these electric trucks go beyond just being eco-friendly. They promise substantial savings in operating costs thanks to lower fuel and maintenance expenses. This is a game changer for logistics companies where margins can often be tight. Moreover, the zero-emission nature of these trucks makes them especially appealing for urban logistics, directly contributing to cleaner air and better overall environmental quality. However, the transition to electric trucks in logistics isn't without its set of challenges. One major hurdle is the need for an extensive charging infrastructure to support these vehicles effectively. Another concern is the range of these trucks. Questions about how far they can travel on a single charge, particularly under heavy loads, are critical in a sector where reliability and efficiency are paramount. Despite these obstacles, the industry is showing increasing interest in electric trucks. Businesses are beginning to see the long-term benefits, not just in environmental terms, but also in economic and operational efficiencies. This shift is not merely a trend. It's part of a larger movement towards sustainability in logistics. As we further explore the impact of electric trucks in logistics, it's important to consider the broader implications. These vehicles are a part of a larger ecosystem of sustainable practices and technologies, from renewable energy sources, powering charging stations to advancements in battery technology. Each component plays a vital role in the viability of electric trucks in logistics. As we wrap up this episode, we look forward to the next, where we'll delve deeper into the environmental impact of traditional versus electric trucks. Understanding this contrast is key to appreciating the full potential of electric trucks in transforming logistics for a greener future. Stay with us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of sustainable logistics, where innovation meets environmental responsibility. Elon Musk's vision of electric trucks is just the beginning of this exciting journey. The environmental impact of traditional versus electric trucks. As we continue our journey into sustainable logistics, this episode delves into a crucial aspect, comparing the environmental impacts of traditional diesel trucks with their electric counterparts. This comparison sheds light on why the shift towards electric vehicles is so vital for the logistics industry. Diesel trucks have been the workhorses of the logistics world for many years. Their efficiency and durability are well known, but so is their environmental toll. These trucks emit significant levels of greenhouse gases, particularly carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxides. This contributes not just to global warming, but also to local air pollution problems. Noise and heat emissions from these trucks further exacerbate their environmental impact, particularly in urban settings. Electric trucks present a contrasting picture. Their most significant advantage is the lack of tailpipe emissions. This means they do not emit harmful gases during operation, making them a cleaner choice, especially in cities where air quality is a pressing issue. This feature positions electric trucks as a key player in the drive towards more sustainable urban logistics. However, it's essential to acknowledge that electric trucks have their environmental considerations. The production process, particularly the manufacturing of batteries, has its ecological footprint. The source of electricity used to charge these trucks is also a crucial factor. If this electricity is derived from renewable sources, the truck's overall environmental impact is much lower compared to when fossil fuels are involved. A comprehensive environmental assessment of electric trucks includes their entire life cycle, from manufacturing and operation to disposal or recycling. Studies indicate that over their lifespan, electric trucks could offer a significantly lower environmental impact compared to diesel trucks, particularly when considering the advancements in battery technology and increasing reliance on renewable energy sources. This episode sets the stage for our next discussion, where we will explore the advancements in electric truck technology. Understanding these technological innovations is crucial for grasping how electric trucks are becoming more viable and effective in the logistics sector. Join us next time as we delve deeper into the world of electric trucks, exploring how technology is driving this exciting shift towards a more sustainable future in logistics. Advancements in electric truck technology. As we delve deeper into the world of sustainable logistics, this episode focuses on the technological advancements in electric trucks. These developments are not just enhancing the viability of electric trucks in the logistics industry, but are also paving the way for a more sustainable future. One of the most significant advancements in electric truck technology is battery efficiency. The latest battery technologies have dramatically improved in terms of energy density, charging speed, and lifespan. This means electric trucks can now travel longer distances on a single charge, a critical factor for logistics operations. The improvements in battery technology also lead to shorter charging times, making electric trucks more practical for regular and extensive use. Another key development is in the powertrain technology of electric trucks. The integration of advanced electric motors and power management systems has led to better performance, greater reliability, and increased energy efficiency. These improvements ensure that electric trucks are not only environmentally friendly, but also can match or even surpass the performance of traditional diesel trucks. The incorporation of smart technologies is also a notable advancement. Electric trucks are increasingly equipped with sophisticated systems for navigation, route optimization, and real-time data analysis. These features not only enhance the operational efficiency of these vehicles, but also contribute to better fleet management and reduced environmental impact. Infrastructure development is another critical area of progress. The expansion of charging networks, especially fast charging stations, is crucial for the widespread adoption of electric trucks. Investments in charging infrastructure, both in urban areas and along major transport routes, are essential for the seamless operation of electric trucks. In the next episode, we will explore the challenges in adopting electric logistics vehicles. While the advancements in technology are promising, there are still hurdles to overcome for the widespread implementation of electric trucks in the logistics sector. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the complexities and prospects of electric trucks in sustainable logistics, where technological innovation meets environmental responsibility. Challenges in adopting electric logistics vehicles. In this episode, we address the challenges associated with adopting electric vehicles in the logistics sector. While the potential benefits of electric trucks are significant, there are several hurdles that need to be navigated for their widespread implementation. One of the primary challenges is the initial cost of electric trucks. Despite the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance, the upfront cost of these vehicles is still higher than traditional diesel trucks. This cost factor can be a significant barrier for many logistics companies, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, in making the transition. Another major challenge is the current state of charging infrastructure. For electric trucks to be viable for long-haul logistics, there needs to be a comprehensive network of charging stations. This includes not only the availability of charging points, but also the capacity to support fast charging, which is essential for minimizing downtime for these vehicles. Battery range and performance in different conditions is another concern. While advancements in battery technology have been impressive, the range anxiety still exists, particularly for long-distance routes and heavy-duty applications. Additionally, battery performance can vary based on weather conditions, which can be a concern in regions with extreme temperatures. The transition to electric logistics vehicles also demands changes in operational practices. Logistics companies must adapt their route planning, scheduling, and load management to accommodate the charging needs and range limitations of electric trucks. And this requires a shift in mindset and operations, which can be challenging to implement. Lastly, there are regulatory and policy challenges. The speed at which regulations are adapted to support electric vehicles can greatly impact their adoption. Incentives and subsidies from governments can play a crucial role in making electric trucks more accessible and attractive to logistics companies. In our next episode, we will delve into the cost-benefit analysis of electric trucks versus diesel trucks. Understanding the financial implications of this transition is crucial for logistics companies as they consider the switch to more sustainable vehicle options. Join us as we continue to explore the intricate landscape of electric trucks in logistics, examining the balance between technological innovation, economic feasibility, and environmental responsibility. Electric trucks versus diesel trucks. This episode delves into the crucial aspect of financial considerations in the transition to electric trucks in the logistics industry. A thorough cost-benefit analysis is essential for companies considering this switch, as it involves evaluating not just the upfront costs, but also the long-term financial impact. The initial purchase price of electric trucks is generally higher than that of traditional diesel trucks. This is mainly due to the advanced technology and the cost of the batteries. However, it's important to look beyond the purchase price and consider the total cost of ownership, which includes maintenance, fuel, and even potential tax benefits or incentives for using greener technology. Electric trucks offer significant savings in terms of fuel costs. With electricity generally being cheaper than diesel, the operational costs of electric trucks can be considerably lower. Additionally, electric vehicles have fewer moving parts compared to diesel engines, leading to lower maintenance costs and potentially longer vehicle lifespans. Another financial factor to consider is the evolving regulatory landscape. Governments around the world are increasingly implementing policies to reduce carbon emissions, which could include taxes on diesel fuel or incentives for using electric vehicles. These regulatory changes could have a significant financial impact on the logistics sector in the coming years. Resale value is also a consideration. As the market for electric vehicles grows and technology continues to improve, the demand for used electric trucks is likely to increase, potentially leading to better resale values compared to their diesel counterparts. In the next episode, we'll explore the infrastructure for electric logistics, focusing on charging stations and other necessary developments. The availability and accessibility of charging infrastructure are vital components in the practical implementation of electric trucks in the logistics industry. Stay with us as we continue to navigate the complex yet promising world of electric trucks in the logistics, where financial practicality intersects with environmental stewardship. The journey towards a sustainable logistics industry is not only about embracing new technologies, but also understanding their economic impacts and benefits. Infrastructure for electric logistics, charging stations and beyond. In this episode, we turn our attention to a critical component of integrating electric trucks into the logistics industry, the infrastructure needed to support these vehicles. The development of adequate infrastructure is pivotal in ensuring the practical and efficient operation of electric logistics. One of the foremost elements of this infrastructure is the network of charging stations. For electric trucks to be viable, especially for long-haul routes, there needs to be a widespread and accessible network of charging stations. This includes not only the quantity, but also the quality of these stations, with a focus on fast charging capabilities to minimize downtime for vehicles. The location of charging stations is also a key consideration. They need to be strategically placed along major transport routes and in logistics hubs to ensure they are accessible to trucks on various routes. Urban areas where short-haul deliveries are common also need a robust charging infrastructure to support the frequent use of electric trucks beyond charging stations. There's also a need for upgrades in electrical grid capacity. As the demand for electricity for vehicle charging increases, the grid must be capable of handling this additional load. This may involve not only upgrading existing grid infrastructure, but also integrating renewable energy sources to support a truly sustainable logistics system. The development of smart charging systems is another aspect of the necessary infrastructure. Smart charging involves managing the charging of vehicles in a way that optimizes energy usage, reduces costs, and minimizes the impact on the electrical grid. This technology is crucial in efficiently integrating a large number of electric trucks into the logistics network. In our next episode, we'll examine case studies of early adopters of electric trucks in logistics. These real-world examples will provide valuable insights into how companies are navigating the transition to electric vehicles, the challenges they face, and the solutions they are implementing. Join us as we continue to explore the evolving landscape of sustainable logistics. The shift to electric trucks is not just about the vehicles themselves, but also about building the infrastructure that makes their operation feasible and efficient. Case studies, early adopters of electric trucks in logistics. This episode focuses on real-world examples of companies that have taken the lead in integrating electric trucks into their logistics operations. By examining these case studies, we gain valuable insights into the practicalities, challenges, and successes of adopting electric vehicles in the logistics sector. One notable example is a leading retail company that has started to incorporate electric trucks for its urban deliveries. Their initiative was driven by the desire to reduce carbon emissions and meet sustainability goals. The company faced initial challenges with the high upfront cost of vehicles and the need for charging infrastructure. However, through government incentives and partnerships with electric vehicle manufacturers, they were able to overcome these hurdles and successfully integrate electric trucks into their fleet. Another case study involves a logistics provider that specializes in long-haul deliveries. They experimented with a fleet of electric trucks for a specific route. The company's main challenge was ensuring that the trucks could handle the long distances and heavy loads typical of their operations. By collaborating with truck manufacturers and investing in fast charging stations along the route, they managed to make the project viable, demonstrating that electric trucks can indeed be used effectively for long-haul logistics. A third example comes from a city council that implemented electric trucks for municipal services. This case study highlights the importance of public sector involvement in promoting electric vehicles. The council's initiative not only helped reduce emissions within the city, but also encouraged local businesses to consider electric vehicles for their operations. Next time, we'll delve into government policies and incentives for green logistics. Understanding the role of policy in facilitating the adoption of electric trucks is crucial, as it can significantly influence the pace and scale of this transition. Stay with us as we continue exploring the journey of sustainable logistics. These case studies offer a glimpse into the future of the logistics industry, where electric trucks play a central role in achieving environmental goals while maintaining operational efficiency. As we conclude this podcast series on sustainable logistics and the role of electric trucks, we reflect on the insights gained and the path forward for the logistics industry. The journey towards a more sustainable future in logistics is both challenging and exciting, marked by technological advancements, evolving policies, and growing awareness of environmental responsibilities. We've explored the various facets of this transformation, from the environmental impacts and technological advancements of electric trucks to the practical considerations and real-world applications in logistics. The shift towards electric vehicles in logistics is not just a trend. It's a necessary step towards reducing our carbon footprint and embracing a more sustainable way of conducting business. Now, we'd like to extend an invitation to deepen your knowledge and engagement with this critical field. INSTITU is offering a comprehensive logistics management course designed to equip professionals and enthusiasts alike with the skills and understanding needed to navigate the complexities of modern logistics. Our course covers a wide range of topics, including the latest trends in sustainable logistics, supply chain management, strategic planning, and operational efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to update your skills or a newcomer eager to enter the field, our course offers valuable insights and practical knowledge. Join us at INSTITU for an enriching learning experience where you'll gain not just theoretical understanding, but also practical insights into the dynamic world of logistics management. Together, we can contribute to shaping a more efficient and environmentally responsible logistics industry. Thank you for joining us on this podcast series. We hope it has inspired you to think more deeply about sustainable logistics and the exciting changes ahead. For more information about our logistics management course and to enroll, please visit our website. Looking forward to welcoming you to INSTITU and to continuing this important conversation in our course. Let's drive the future of logistics together towards a greener, more sustainable horizon.